Hi, I'm Krista with WTI, and today I'm going to share with you one of life's little luxuries in the Gevi household's countertop nugget ice maker. Now, this is a kitchen companion that you do not want to miss out on because every pebble of ice is the perfect size with the perfect amount of crunch, and it's on demand. Let me tell you a little bit about why I really love this ice maker. I have the V2.0 model in a white color with coffee accents. Now, this is a stunning look that blends in beautifully with the neutral aesthetic I have in my kitchen already. And it is the perfect height and width to fit into a little corner under my upper kitchen cabinets so that I can maximize the counter space around it. A standout feature of this ice maker is the fact that it is so easy to use. I literally plugged it in, ran a cleaning cycle, then filled up the basin with clean water and pushed power, and it began producing ice for me. That simple. I knew I would love this ice maker because I am an ice cruncher and I love chewing on ice. The Nugget Ice is the perfect size. It freezes in layers so that it's not so hard that it hurts your teeth when you like to crunch down on it. So if you're looking for an ice maker that is beautiful, that's efficient, that operates very quietly, and that is something that gives you that perfect size crunchable ice every single day, then you're going to love this Gevi household nugget ice maker, and that's my point of view.